Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if the Windows Update service is missing and it says that an error was encountered and that there were some problems installing updates, but we'll try again later. If you keep seeing this and want to search the web or contact support for information, this may help. And then it gives you the error code 0x800700006. So it should be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu, type in Troubleshoot. Best result should come back with Troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and left click on that to open it up. Select additional troubleshooters on the right side here, and then you want to select Windows Update, resolve problems that prevent you from updating Windows, and select Run the Troubleshooter. Okay, so couldn't identify the problem, however, you could close out of here too. Hopefully it would have been able to resolve the problem and you could just restart your computer at that point. Try and restart nonetheless, and then attempt to run the update again, whether it found something or not. Something else you can try here would be to open up the Start menu, type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select Yes. And now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in SFC followed by a space /scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. So again, SFC space /scan now. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take a couple minutes to run, so please be patient. Okay, there you go, guys. Again, restart your computer once that's done. Hopefully that should have been able to resolve the problem. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.